owners like Cheeriodicals and Andersen Windows to come in and offer these kind of activities so that we can give the kids toys to play with and things to do that will engage them and keep them distracted from what's going on for them every single day in the hospital.
On behalf of the 92,000 members of the American Institute of Architects, we want to thank Andersen Windows for supporting the Cheeriodicals program and bringing it to the AIA Conference on Architecture.
For us, I think this is such a unique opportunity. We as Andersen have done these types of events just within our own organization, and we just felt that it was such a compelling and profound experience. Being able to engage our architect customers in a way that we haven't before, I think is really cool, and to do something that's really bigger than all of us, I think is really a special opportunity.
Thank you, Andersen Windows and Doors, for all of your support for today's Cheeriodicals delivery. The patients were very excited. We always love our Cheeriodicals delivery, and you guys made a very special one.
Yesterday was back-to-back seminars. Today was food for soul. It was, I can never forget today, and I'm ready to attack another month with all the positive energy that I got just from watching those kids smiling and their reaction of looking at something beautiful and sunny.